Okay, so let's hook up this other sensor with code. Okay, so already I've sort of demonstrated how it works if you use the right sensor. Now we've wired up the other one, and let's go ahead and reproduce it so we can see how we can make this work. Okay, so first thing we have to do is in our setup, or I'm sorry, be ahead of our setup where we put our variables, is let's go ahead and copy the declaration of the value that holds the pin that we're going to be using. So we're going to have the right feeler, and it's hooked up to pin 17. Okay, let me go ahead and show you that real quick. Oh, I should have it like this so you can see it. Okay, so originally we had these two pins right here hooked up to our photoresistors, and then 16 and 17 we're not going to use as analog, we're going to use as digital. We only want to know if they're high or they're low. Okay, so we're going to use these two pins for the right and left sensor, right? So 16 and 17. Let me minimize this, get this out of the way. 16 and 17. Let's scroll on down here, and we need to set, because we're going to use it as a digital pin, we need to set the direction of that pin. Well, we're going to go ahead and set the right feeler as an input. Alright, we've told it where it is, we've told it what it is. Now all we have to do is actually ask it to do something. Let's go all the way down to this loop section. For the moment, I'm going to take, well, this is my section of code here that makes my robot stop, so it's not making noise while I'm talking. Okay, so I commented it out. Let's go ahead and comment out all the code that refers to the photo sensors. If you've forgotten how I do that, you hold down the control key and hit the /, and that makes everything block out. Now, let's play with this sensor right here. Let's take and copy the digital read. It's digital. It's high or it's low. It's not some value in between. That's why we have this, are you sure it's equal? It's not. I'm not telling it to be something. I'm asking it if it is. I need two equal signs. I'm not asking it to switch. I'm asking it if it is. Okay? So I need two equal signs. I'm going to make sure if the right feeler is low, okay, not telling it to be low, I'm asking it if it's low, two equals. Then I want to turn, I don't want to turn right, I want to turn left. Okay, so let's go ahead and load it up, see what happens. Alright, robot's going forward. Hit this one. Oh, nothing happened. That one worked. Let's see if I did something stupid. What usually happens. And sure enough, I did. You probably can't see it, but with my aging eyes, I've plugged this into the wrong hole. Okay, I had it hooked up into 18, it looks like. Okay, so right now, I should zoom in on that. Well, let's see if it works first. Yep, everything works. Let me zoom in so you can see what I did, because it's good for you to see mistakes. Okay, what I had done was this wire right here, I had accidentally plugged into this group of holes. Well, that's not where the resistor is it? The resistor comes off and goes into pin 17, and that is right here. And now, when I hit the spacer, I'm sorry, when I hit the feeler, it in fact works. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video, and then I'm going to show it running around on the floor, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you soon.